What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Bink, and I am back with another video. If you are new to this channel, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you a part of the family. Also, while you're at it, go ahead and hit that notification bell button so you won't miss a video each and every time that I post. Y'all, so today, if y'all can see, I am in the car. I am doing a Carbang today, and I have some Popeyes. I have the Popeyes chicken sandwich. I got the spicy chicken sandwich with extra mayo or extra sauce. And I also have some fries. And drink. I got a Diet Coke. So y'all, happy Sunday. Happy Super Bowl Sunday. Look at this. Ooh, look at. Ooh, hey. It's about to be so good. Ooh. Well, happy Super Bowl Sunday, y'all. What's everybody doing today? Is anybody having a Super Bowl party? Going to a Super Bowl party? Let me know in the comments below. This is so good. So if y'all can't tell, it is beautiful outside today. Like I told you, I live in Kentucky, and it's like dang near 60 degrees today. Beautiful. Woo! This is so good. I have not had one in so long. So y'all, let's talk about something. So hold on, one more bite. All right. So I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna say this. Okay, so let's just put it out there. A friend of mine was planning her birthday, right? Or whatever she was planning, the trip. And she decided she wanted to go to Miami, right? Fine, I'm down. Let's go to Miami. Let me know when to pay, blah, blah, blah. I'm there. So when it was time to pay for the tickets, I'm like, I'm ready to pay for the tickets. Let's go. Something came up. She couldn't go. Okay, fine. Let's go to Nashville. Nothing but an hour away. We could stay in Nashville the whole weekend. Fine. Plan a whole weekend to hang out in Nashville. Only to pay for tickets to go to this little party. Only to say, well, I really don't want to pay for a room. And so I'm just going to reimburse y'all the money back. Listen here. It's 2020. It's time to start living. And I understand everybody's financial situation is not the same, but I hate planning stuff with people who just don't follow through with it. Either you're gonna do it or you're not. You know what I'm saying? Like, if I get my mind set up, I done cleared my schedule for this weekend to do something, that's what I'm expected to do. You know what I'm saying? Only for you to turn around and say, well, no, we ain't gonna do it. Like, that irritates me to the core. So now I'm irritated because it's like, I could have planned something else, but it might be too late, you know? I don't know, man. It's like, you know, I'm in another state, and I had to really find new friends, and all the people that I'm cool with are younger than me. You know what I'm saying? They're not married. I don't have any kids. And then the ones that do, they don't like to do nothing. I guess it's because they lived in Bowling Green all their life. They're not used to doing stuff. But I come from the city. I do, and you know, where it was something always popping. Whether it was at my house, at a friend's house, at a cousin's house. It was always something going on. You know what I'm saying? And in Bowling Green, it's literally nothing to do. I kid you not. It's nothing to do in Bowling Green. You have to either go out of state, go to Nashville, you know, to hang out. Hold on, y'all. Where's my... Oh, here we go. To hang out. And, I think... Whew, all right. And I think they just got accustomed to not doing something, you know, doing stuff, you know. They rather sit in the house like they've been doing. And I'm like, I'm not sitting in the house, you know. I be feeling so depressed, y'all, because I miss home so much. And I don't have the support and the people and my friends here with me, you know. So that's why I kind of use YouTube as my outlet. Because I don't have nobody to talk to, I have friends that I can, you know, go say, hey, let's go have a drink or something, you know? And if you never moved away from a state that you lived in all your life, all your family is there, Your support system is there. You'll never understand. I hear people say all the time, I'll move to another state in a minute. And that's fine and dandy. But until you make that move and you know for sure that it's the right move, you'll never know how I feel. Like, especially coming from a city and then moving to a country state, it's ridiculous. I hope my thing don't mess up like it did last time. But yeah, moving from, being a city girl and then basically, like I said, moving to the country it was a culture shock. This is not what I'm used to. My drive home is nothing but about 7.5 hours away, but I can always just jump in the car and go, I'm looking at somebody over there jamming. But I did yesterday. I took my little baby skating yesterday, and she did so good. Like, she did better than I thought she was gonna do. It was her first time ever going to a skate rink. She was 4, and she did so good. She was so excited. She's so cute. Mm. This sandwich is huge. Okay. Yeah. If y'all watched my last video, anybody who watched my last video and didn't watch it all the way through, I completely understand. I don't know what happened. I had some audio issues, and I don't know what happened. It completely stopped, and then my words and the video wasn't synced together. It was all jacked up. I was mad. I literally had so much fun doing that video. Mm. Mm-mm. I gotta go to the grocery store. I'm gonna go home and finish washing. I cleaned my house yesterday, so I don't have to do anything today. I just gotta put a few more loads in the washer and dryer and fold them. And I think they're gonna be going up to a friend's house for Super Bowl Sunday. We're not doing too much today. My husband had to work this weekend. He worked the entire weekend. He worked 7 days this week. And he generally doesn't, but they were offering overtime, so I'm like, heck yeah, go, Okay. We've got some stuff coming up, and, woo, woo! Mm. A little extra money won't hurt, right? Another thing, y'all, please subscribe to my channel. My views are up, but my views and my subscribers ain't matching. So if y'all can please subscribe to my channel, let's get to
let's make a deal. Let's get me to 100 subscribers. I'm gonna do a giveaway. I am gonna do a giveaway. If I get to 100 subscribers by the end of the month. All right. So if I get to 100 subscribers by the end of February, I am going to do a giveaway. Okay? A March 1st giveaway. But I got to get to 100 subscribers, at least 100. So make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure y'all share this video. Make sure y'all give it a thumbs up. And guess what, y'all? I will see y'all in the next video. Thank y'all so much for watching. Bye.